Hi, I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and today I want to talk to you about TorchmateStore.com, our internet store for all the replacement parts and consumables on your Torchmate machine. Maintaining and upgrading your investment is important, so I'd like to introduce you to our easy-to-use online store. It will allow you to order the parts and consumables you need all day and night. For first-time users, you'll have to create an account on the store by clicking on My Account at the top of the page. Then select Create Account on the next page. Creating an account allows you to easily reorder the items you'll need in the future. Some of the most important items you'll want to have on hand to keep your machine cutting are consumables for your FlexCut plasma cutting system. Select FlexCut consumables from the navigation bar or on the home page. Then you will see images of your plasma torch. Choose the correct torch and then select your consumables. When ordering with an account, you can easily see your past orders and then reorder the correct consumables for your machine. Other popular items include Torchmate PlateGuard to help prevent rust on your machine, as well as replacement dongles for your Torchmate CAD. A replacement parts section contains the most commonly needed maintenance parts for your machine. You can also use the search function at the top of the page to easily find what you're looking for. Visit TorchmateStore.com and sign up today for almost everything you'll need to keep your Torchmate machine running.